This is going to be an unboxing of my isinwheel e-bike. I hope I'm saying the company name right. This is a product that I bought and I purchased, and I thought I'd give a review on what comes in the box, what tools you're going to need to put it together, and I'm going to build it right here on my table. So first we have our instruction manual and some tools and the battery. Next is the battery charger. So it's just standard plug-in, goes straight in the top. Here is your seat and fender. So here's the seat and the rear fender. Next is, and it's packed really good, so I really like the packing that they did in here. Let's see if I can get this all in one piece. So the rest of it is kind of lumped together. I have to open out this bag, but that's it. So the rest is just packing. So I have all the packaging off here, all the pieces. It just has the tire, the seat, the battery, the front axle, the tools, your charger, and the main body with the handlebars. So it's going to be real simple to put together. The only axle it looks like I need to put on, because the back one's already on, is going to be the front. The seat just slides right in here, and once I get that tire on, I can actually use the kickstands, kind of balancing as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble everything. I might do it in a little bit of a fast forward motion, but I'm going to put everything together. This handlebar clamp spins around and everything just kind of slides together. So you'll see me putting it together, and we'll see the finished product. All right, so I'm done with the build. Last thing I do is just put the battery pack in it. Now, I used the tools that came with it because I wanted to give an honest review of the build time. And it took me 13 minutes, just slightly over 13 minutes to do the whole build. And this is amazing quality bike. Now, it can carry up to 110 pounds. Its range is 8 to 10 kilometers, and it will go a max speed, I think it was like about 7 miles per hour. It says max speed is 10 kilometers per hour, so it's roughly about 7 miles per hour. I want to go over a few of the features of the bike. So wheels, it has rubber wheels with tubes in them, plastic rims. The motor is located in the back tire. The back is, it has disc brakes on it, which work really well. Then you have a metal body, again, battery located on the bottom with the switch. It has a little kickstand, which is nice. You can put that kickstand down. Little foot pedals, right? I'm sorry, a little pegs where you put your feet, and it's more of like a little shelf. So that's pretty nice that it's a little wide and not just a simple peg. You got front and rear fenders, as well as an adjustable seat that's pretty soft with a little handle. So when they're ready to take off or having issues, I can put my hand here and hold on to it. Now, the handlebars, the cables have like a little rubber kind of anti-chafe thing holding all the cables together. That's really cool. Rubber grips, so the grips are rubberized, so it's going to be, nice and grippy for them. This is your rear brake on the left side. Right side is your throttle. This has been a fun build, super simple. I really like that the battery is swappable, and I can't wait to see my kids take off on this bike.